So you're the police chief?
Police department, yeah.
This idiot, he was going too fast. Shut up, bro. I'll put you out of your misery right now.
I don't think I can get in there. At least I got traffic diversion. He's got a little bit of blood hanging from the head. Other than that, I'm trying to keep him calm.
Yeah. Hey, I'm sorry, sir. Did you see what happened?
Yes, this guy, sorry, my English is not good, but I try to explain to you.
Sure.
This guy coming from other way.
The guy in the Buick.
Yeah, and hit the fence, piece sometime, and hit this car.
Was this guy in the black car speeding or something?
Yeah.
I don't know! What the f***? This is not needed to me! What the f*** is this all about?
Can I talk to her real quick? Hey, miss, can I just grab a driver's license from you? Are you injured or anything? Your head?
I told our daughter they were ahead of us.
Sure.
We're supposed to come back. Is this guy drunk or what?
He might have a head injury, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I can't get in
The way
there.
he's rattling himself.
Yeah. Can I get a couple other for traffic control?
Are you okay?
Appreciate it.
Are you okay?
Let me go!
He's got a hand in you. That's why he's yelling and screaming like that.
Come on!
Other than that, I don't know if he's been drinking or...
Yeah.
It's hard to tell.
Okay, here we go!
Come
Come on!
Yeah, he came and hit that center meeting.
520.
Come
We
on!
were all sitting
Let
in line
me
for
go
traffic.
now!
Behind him or something?
The red car, that's mine.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in traffic and he comes down this way, hits this thing, and then the whole car just
Hey,
flips
come on!
over like this.
What the f***?
Larry,
Why can't you
relax,
go?
just relax, will ya?
Come on! Let me go!
Larry, just relax.
It's not let me
Larry,
go!
Larry, just relax. It's really hard to tell somebody with a head injury to relax.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Go! Let's go!
Larry.
Let me go!
525 Justice. Advise the FD they got to come 79th Street from 88th Avenue in opposite lane.
Come on! You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go!
Do we have the keys, man?
Yeah,
He's got him on his lap.
Come on!
I can't tell if it's a mark. I can't see if he's got an injury or what.
he's got blood on his face. I don't know if that was from probably the airbag.
Yeah, maybe.
You! Let me f***ing go! Let's go!
Can't tell if he's drunk. He's got a head injury. What the deal is?
That's what you're saying.
Come on! You! Let's go! Let me f***ing go! Come on! You!
Dude, calm down.
Let's go!
Calm down, calm
Let
down.
me f***ing go!
Okay, all right, calm down.
Let me
Dude, okay,
go!
calm down. Relax.
You know what? I'm the
Okay.
You know what? I'm the cop in Bridgeview.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Okay, stop.
Yeah, come on. No, come on.
You got 32? What? Does he have a 32 on him?
You have a gun on you?
Yeah, I do. Come on, let me
Claiming he
go.
does. Obviously, I can't get in there. I don't know if he's got a head injury. I don't know
He's a
what.
village employee, and his name's Larry Klimek, and he's got blood hanging off his. Okay. And he's swearing and all that.
Larry, how are you?
I think it's that climax. I think he's wasted or he's got, or both. He has a head injury. He's combative, and I don't know if he has 32 on him. And suppose he was going westbound, smashing in this, and says he's a copper.
He's retired. He's a retired chief. Is your car in park, sir?
You guys are awesome. You guys are good. You guys are good. Let me go through. You guys are good. All right, thank you very much.
Dude, you gotta get out of the car, Climax.
Let me go very much. Come on.
Larry, don't give these guys a hard time. Don't give them a hard time, all right?
You guys are great.
Don't give them.
great.
Yeah, don't give them a hard
No,
time.
no, you guys are great.
Is that Wally?
His name is Larry
Fine now.
Klimek.
That's not Wally, is it?
Or it could be Wally.
It is Wally.
Oh, it is. Okay. What department does he work in?
Why are you getting so upset? He's retired. It's an airbag.
Oh, well, he's got a Bridgeview. He's got a shirt that says Bridgeview on, like a patch on it.
506 Justice. Can you put me in touch with the watch commander from Bridgeview? We got the involved party claiming to be the chief of police in Bridgeview, and he's possibly 1095. What's the drinking? I forgot. 55, Justice. 55. 1055.
Wally. His name's Wally.
Wally, the fire department's here to help you.
Yeah, just make sure you're getting everything. Just record it.
Wally Klimek. I was the chief of police in Bridgeview.
That's what he was.
That makes it even.
What the?
Just relax, Wally.
I know because you guys are all awesome.
I mean, I've seen head injuries, but nothing like this. I mean,
You know what?
well, just leave that on there, will you? I didn't smell any alcohol on him, so I really can't tell.
Come on. Let me go this way. Come on, guys. You guys are awesome. That's cool.
I can't let you drive right now.
Why can't you let me drive?
Well, one, because the car is not going to move.
He's a
Two,
retired
because you're not
police chief.
answering.
Yeah, I know who he is.
Just let me go by. Just let me go.
Well, I think it's in your best interest to go to the hospital.
I think that should be mandated, right? Considering.
That thing.
That's the ambulance. That's the ambulance that's going
Him.
Hey, what's up, bud? He crashed. He's refusing to get out of the car. He's screaming at all the paramedics. It's a two-lane road because of the construction, so he's completely bogged down the entire 79th Street. He's claiming to be the chief of police for Bridgeview. He's got a shirt on, Bridgeview shirt on. Okay, no problem.
Get the out of there.
Wally, you gotta have to get out of the car, my man. Dude, don't make this harder than it has to be, please.
Get this bullshit.
Wally.
Oh, that's the airbag.
Who the put that in there?
What's the make of your car?
Wally, you have to get out of the car.
Tell him, get the out of here.
No, you're going in there.
Obviously, get the out of
You
here.
want to walk over there, or do
Wally.
you want us to bring the stretcher over?
Get out of the car.
Still got the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're not getting it from the other side, really.
Wally, get out of the car, my man.
Wally, you gotta get out of the car.
Are they bringing in a stretcher? You guys bringing a stretcher? Yes.
They're putting the restraints on right now.
Come on, tell him, get the out of here.
We don't want to take any chances.
Come on, Wally. You ready? Come on, bud. You gotta get out.
You gotta get out.
I'm waiting for him. It's ready.
What's that?
Well, you're right, sir. Let's go.
What the is this?
Wally, come on, bud.
You know what? Come on, get the out of here.
All right, well, we're gonna have to get out, man.
Oh, what are you doing back here? You know what? What are you doing back here in my arm?
Wally, come on.
Come on. You gotta come out of the car.
You got a seatbelt cutter?
Hey, I just pulled it off.
Oh, it's off?
Undid it. So it should be
Come on,
good.
Wally. Let's go.
You're gonna have to hop out of the car, man.
Come on. Let's go. Wally, come on, bud.
Come on, you know what? I want the chief of police in Bridgeview.
No, you're
Why
not.
you do this to me?
No, you're not. Come on.
All right, you gotta hop out of the car.
You know what?
Wally, let's go. Wally, come on.
Why you do this to
Wally,
what?
you're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
What?
Okay.
You're embarrassing yourself. Come on.
You know what? Don't do that to my arm.
Wally, let's go.
You know, just leave me alone.
If you want to keep...
You know what?
Hey.
Get him the out of here.
If you want to keep any
What?
part of your career left, get out of the car nice. Now. If you want to have a job still tomorrow, get out of the car nice.
You know what?
Let's go.
You know what? Leave
Wally.
me alone.
Let's go.
You have to hop out of the car, Wally.
Get him the out of here.
Let's go, Wally.
No, get him out of here. No.
Wally, let's go.
No,
Stop
stop.
fighting.
No, Wally.
Stop fighting.
Ow! Stop
Wally,
doing that
stop.
to me.
Wally.
No, stop doing that to me.
Wally, out of the car, my man.
I know, but
Let's
stop,
go.
stop
Go.
doing that to me.
Wally, come on.
Put your feet out.
Ow!
Wally, come
Stop
on.
doing that to Ow!
Let's go.
No!
Wally, stop resisting. Let's go.
Stop! You're hurt.
Let's-
Ow!
Stop resisting, Wally. Come on. Wally, let's go. All right, you sleep.
Ow!
Wally, let's
Come
go.
on, guys.
Come on.
Let's
You
go.
guys hurt me a lot.
We're trying to pull you out.
No, you guys hurt me.
We're not playing games no more. Let's go.
I know, but don't hurt me.
All right, then get out.
Get out.
I know, but
We don't want to
please
have to do this.
don't hurt me.
We're not hurting you, Wally.
I
We're
know.
trying to get you
No,
out of
you
the car.
did.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, come on. No, you guys are my buddies.
I know, then let's go.
Then let's
I know,
go.
but don't do that. Stop.
Wally, let's go.
hands off the
Take your hands
Okay,
off the
come on,
steering.
guys.
Let's
I'm
go.
sorry.
Let's-
No, come
Wally,
on.
come on.
Ow! Stop.
Wally,
No.
Wally, come on.
Ow!
Wally, come on.
Get that arm.
Peel it.
Guys.
Okay, we're out. Okay, we're out.
Oh, guys.
Oh, you want it, man. Just keep
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
You're just gonna get checked out. You're getting
All right.
checked out.
We asked you to get out of the car how many times, right?
What?
How many times we asked you to get out of the car?
You guys hurt me.
All right, well, get up now.
Hurt yourself.
Okay, hop up. To be a grown adult now.
Get up.
You guys hurt me. I'm sorry.
Get up.
Come on.
How much you had to drink tonight, Wally?
No, not today. No, not today.
Okay, how much you had to drink the last hour?
79th Street, 87 Avenue.
Ow!
Oh, what?
Guys, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, get up. Come on.
Wait. Oh my God. Ow! Come on, guys.
Just checking for that 32.
I'm sorry. Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
You're my awesome guy. Ow!
Hey, stop.
Ow! You're f***ing hurting me.
Well, then f***ing quit resisting.
What?
Stop
You're
resisting.
hurting me.
Oh, well, quit resisting.
You want to do
Ow!
I'm big too.
So, can you do the
I'm
crash?
sorry,
and then
guys.
Just follow the hospital.
Okay, you know what?
Okay.
Whoa. That's my f***ing car.
I don't have one though.
What'd the witness say, Murph?
He was driving like fast, coming this way, hit this like end, and then rolled into him.
After obtaining a search warrant for his blood and being released from the hospital more than 4 hours later, Wally still isn't fully cooperative.
Mr. Walter, you ready? Come on. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Where are we going? Over here, right through this door right here. You're gonna be in and out, okay? We gotta fingerprint you, give you your citations, and I'll give you a ride home, okay? All right, I'm gonna take your handcuffs off, okay? You understand your vehicle was towed, right?
What?
Your vehicle was towed because you were in a car accident.
My vehicle's what?
It was towed.
Towed?
Yeah.
No, it's not towed.
Well, yes, it was. I'm telling you.
It's not
Okay.
towed.
This is gonna be.
Was it towed by you?
Listen to what I'm trying to tell
Well,
you.
it wasn't towed.
It was told he was involved in an accident.
No, because
You crashed into another car.
Okay,
You've been drinking.
No,
Okay.
I'm told by. No, I'm told by you guys.
Sir, I'm explaining
It
this
was
to you,
not
okay?
towed.
This is gonna be your cite and release. You have a court date, okay?
For what?
For DUI. Okay?
What do you mean a DUI?
I'm explaining to you what this is. Stop getting upset, okay?
What do you mean a DUI?
That's what the officer charged you with.
I'm not drunk.
The arresting officer charged you with a DUI, okay? And these are going to be your citations, okay? Failure to reduce speed, to avoid a crash, driving under the influence, improper traffic lane usage. So you're going to have 3 citations, and this is going to be your court date, okay? I need your signature here.
I'm not going. I'm not drunk. I came for work
Listen.
I came by work by you guys.
Okay. You want to get out from here, or you want to stay in here? If you want to get out, sign here, okay?
Yeah, because
Okay, then.
I came from you. I came from work by you guys.
Okay,
I'm not drunk.
You can argue that in court.
Yeah, I'm
okay?
not drunk.
Okay, so then you can argue that in court.
Yeah.
Here you go.
So I'm not signing anything.
That's just a promise you're going to go to court.
No, I'm not going to court because
Okay.
I came from them when I was working, and I came. I came by you guys. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to give you a ride back home, okay?
What?
I'm going to give you a ride back home.
But what about my car?
Your car was towed. It was involved in an accident. It's not drivable.
My car wasn't involved in an accident. What?
Okay,
The car wasn't involved in it. I pulled in by you guys. Let's go back to your place and see if it's there.
I'm telling you, we towed your vehicle. The officer who arrested you
Why was it towed?
You can, if you want to talk to a sergeant, you can, and he can explain it to you.
But why was it towed by you?
I'm just repeating myself now at this point.
I didn't get it. I didn't get in an accident by your house, by your building. No.
Do you want a ride home, or are you going to call somebody to come get you?
I'm sorry?
Or do you want a ride home, or is somebody going to come get you?
So obviously he said he's going to drive me home, but I don't know why my car...
You have keys
All right, then,
for
come
your
on.
house here.
Come
Your
on.
wallet and everything is here.
Follow me. Grab your keys, grab your wallet, and grab your insurance card.
See?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Let me see.
Police department,
So you're the police chief? Grab here.
What is that?
Your insurance card. Come on, follow me.